Now, the Lagos State House of Assembly Standing Committee on Local Public Accounts has commenced a review of the Auditor General's financial reports for the state's 20 local governments and 37 local council development areas. The review covers the 2023 financial year, which ended on December 31, 2023. The chairman of the committee, Honorable Noreen Akisoye, says the exercise is aimed at ensuring prudent spending, budget compliance and strict adherence to financial and regulations at the grassroots level. Olatunde Yusuf reports.
The chairman of the Public Accounts Committee in charge of local government, Honorable Noreen Akisoye, says the exercise is part of the Assembly's constitutional responsibility to promote transparency and accountability in the management of public funds and to strengthen good governance and fiscal discipline across the state's 57 local councils.
Government is continuous. Number one, you should reality capital and liability, no matter what. And if you look at it very well, we still have some CM on board, the technocrats. The council chairman is only the authority. They are the ones that advise. Many of them, we have right to call them. Even the past chairman, we have right to call them. You have right to call you if you are serving. I don't know the law and I don't want to quote. It's about 10 years after serving. We still have right to call you under 10 years, I believe.
Officials of the local councils appeared one after the other to defend their submission as lawmakers raised questions on observed gaps and financial concerns.
We are going to talk to what the Auditor General they query them for and the year under the review. Now we should tell them the year under review, which is 2023. So that's exactly what we are going to ask. And we don't normally ask questions outside of all the Auditor General queries. So because we are only one that have the right to discharge, you understand, or sustain their query. If they have query, they have that authority because it's just like division of labor. They've done it already. If they query, you cannot be judged in your own case because it can be queried by your general. So now the next person that can discharge or the query to succeed is the House as of us.
We need checks and balances. We need the kind of control so that if there is any excess or excesses, then they will be the monitor and they will control situations for us and they will remedy situations as at when it is necessary. And that's why we are here too. We are happy and we will comply. We have the auditors on seat too. We are not just on our own. We can't do anything anyhow in Lagos State. That's why they are here, and that's why we are here to respond to all the queries and questions that may arise.
To give kudos to the House of Assembly and also to the Speaker of the House to have, the intellect and everything they have put together. It's a very good one, and it's helped us also so that we can brace up when it comes to tidying up whatever we are doing and due diligence and every other thing that has to do with documentation.
The House of Assembly says the review will continue with the remaining councils as lawmakers examine expenditures for budget compliance, review financial records to identify areas of improvement and assess project implementation to ensure development outcomes that benefit Lagosians. Olatunde Yusuf, LTV News.